Ever wonder why? Your chain is dull because you are sticking your chain in the dirt. Okay, so you see this log here? I'm only cutting halfway through, and if you check out what I do, I cut halfway down about 8 to 10 feet all the way down the log, every 16 inches, right? And then I find a place that's adequately smart to cut all the way through without jacking my chain up. Then I roll the log, then I upcut. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of what I do. Is there anything more frustrating than a dull chain? Oh my gosh, man. I'll never forget this time that I was out cutting firewood and I started to make this big cut, and boy, I was just roaring. The saw was cutting like a dream, right? And the next thing I know, I go over to make another cut, and the whole bar just goes, and it just nothing, not even sawdust was coming off that thing, man. It was so dull, and it was so frustrating. I was like, man, what happened? And I looked over on the other side of the log, and there was a like big rock, not a boulder, but it was a big rock. And I cut a big, huge notch in that rock. Yeah, that chain cut into that rock, boy. But I'll tell you what, that was no fun. And guess what? I didn't have any other chains with me. All I had was a file. That's all I had with me was a file, and I had, you know, a raker gauge, and I was able to sharpen it back up. But I'll tell you what, that chain was gnarly. It was done, right? So for all you folks who have ever had a dull chain, I feel for you. I really do feel for you, because having a dull chain is like having a car that won't run. It's basically like the Flintstones trying to pedal a car with their bare feet, right? You're not gonna go very fast, boy, I'm telling you what. So yes, be mindful of your chain. Be mindful of your bar. Where's the tip of that bar going? You might want to be looking out for it, because you might hit a rock like I did. There's more to life than chainsaws. The Bible is awesome. The Bible is living and active, sharper than any double-edged sword, piercing even to the division of soul and spirit and of joints and marrow, and is also a discerner of the thoughts and intents of the heart. God's word cuts just like a chainsaw, but God's word heals. This little interrupt is for you. You are special. You are amazing. You are awesome. And someone needs to tell you that. If I'm the person who tells you that, that's awesome. Welcome to my channel. My name is Todd Da Silva. This is Bible in a Chainsaw.